Do you work in the sports, fitness or wellness industry? Would you like to teach your clients a unique proprietary breathing program with many applications to improve their sports performance, health and overall well-being? By becoming a certified Oxygen Advantage instructor, you can teach your clients to delay the onset of lactic acid and fatigue, improve their aerobic performance, strengthen core and breathing muscles, reduce breathlessness during physical exercise, significantly reduce exercise-induced asthma, improve their sleep and pre-match preparation. Join us as we train you to become an Oxygen Advantage instructor by attending our online training or face-to-face instructor trainings worldwide. During this training, you will learn the complete science behind the Oxygen Advantage and receive step-by-step instructions and teaching tools to share this revolutionary technique with your clients. Visit oxygenadvantage.com and click on Teach It or email info@oxygenadvantage.com.